Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do the REALME GT Neo 5 battery charging test part 2. Now let me tell y'all what happened. For some reason when I charge my phones upstairs, they seem like they charge faster than they do downstairs. Now that could be because of the power grid, the fuse box, how many products got plugged in, I don't know. But I'm going to try this again. Okay, now on a side note, I've been seeing a lot of videos floating around online from people from other countries saying that they charge this phone in 11 minutes. So we're going to try it out again. Now as you can see, this phone is completely dead. Okay, no power at all. I'm going to plug it in. Okay, you see the sign for yourself. Just got to plug it in. Bang, just like that. Now we're going to wait for it to power up. We're going to start the clock at 1%. Alright, so you've seen it for yourself, and all I can say is, wow, my mind is blown. Now, keep in mind, the phone is turned on and the always-on display is on. This is how most people are going to charge your phone. Here's the official charging times. The phone went from 1 to 87% in 10 minutes, 1 to 93% in 11 minutes, and 1 to 100% in 12 minutes and 20 seconds. That is incredible. This is the official shit shower and shave phone. Like I said, this is the fastest charging phone on the market.